Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sonos One quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Sonos One. Make sure you have the power cable and the speaker itself. Find a suitable location for your Sonos One. Plug the power cable into the back of the speaker. Connect the other end to a nearby power outlet. Wait for the LED light on top of the speaker to flash white. Download the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and create a Sonos account if you haven't already. Tap on Set up a new system in the app. Choose Sonos One from the list of available products. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you select the correct Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that your Sonos One is connected. Once connected, you can assign the speaker to a room. Customize your audio settings as needed. Test your Sonos One by asking it to play a song or a station. If the speaker does not respond, check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that the speaker is within range of your router. Restart the speaker by unplugging it and plugging it back in. If issues persist, try resetting the Sonos One by holding the mute button. After releasing the button, wait for the LED light to blink orange. Reopen the Sonos app and follow the setup process again. Once everything is working, enjoy your music and smart speaker features. You're now ready to use your Sonos One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.